Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and we're still on with this nice little 7-day set of straight razors from FINNIGANs of Deansgate, Manchester. I'm just stepping out of the shot, so it'll be clearer. Excuse the hand, but I have to keep them in place. We don't want to drop these in the sink. Okay, so we've done Monday, Tuesday, so we're now on Wednesday. And I'm going to step out of the shot so you can see the edge of the blade there, or you can see it there now, on both sides. This one, let's get a better angle on it. Now you can see the edge quite clear. Pristine, very nice. I have to say, these are very comfortable razors. Oh, step out of the shot. Hopefully you can see Wednesday on the spine there. And today, Praraso, the green, with a bit of what do you call it, menthol. Highly recommended. Really nice for a summer's day. Start your morning off. As I explained in my first video of this set, I don't shave every day. I only shave maybe once or twice a week. 3 times if I'm something to try out, you know, but sometimes I'll leave it a week, you know, a bit lazy, I guess. But I've got a combination of sensitive skin and a really tough beard. Not a good combo, really. However, these little straight razors cut through a week's growth. No problem. You can actually see it. If I don't stretch if I don't stretch my skin, you can actually see tugging. Ish. So that's a secret to all you newbies to shaving with a straight razor. Don't be frightened. Stretch the skin. As simple as that. That is so buttery smooth. Oh, it really is. I want to do this one again. I just so smooth. Oh. You know, I've just taken one edge off with the first pass, right? And look, I'll step out of the shot. This is the second pass. And look at that. I thought I had a close shave for the first pass. You can see it right on the edge. Yeah. Really good razors. Yeah, really good. Yeah. And to maintain it, as always, after each shave, right, give it a good wipe. Careful of the edge. Don't go on the edge, like I've just done. And then wipe it, just like that. Oh, just like that, Tommy Cooper. Just like that. Nice and gentle, nice and easy. And then give it 50 laps on your leather strop. Afterwards, important. And that way, you'll maintain your razors for the rest of your life. How easy is that? I've got quite a few, shall we say. But anyway, we got this one to do tomorrow on the old Tacho. So that'll be interesting. Closer to the bone, the harder it gets. Okay. Thanks very much for watching. I'll catch up with you tomorrow. Bye for now.